How to fix black OPS 6 error on your DEV10493 on your Xbox gaming platform where you're facing this error. How you can simply solve this and fix it in very some seconds. To do this, just close the tab wherever you're working or opening. If you have not checked your Wi-Fi network, please click on the Wi-Fi and then connect with a better network again. Now, second thing we're going to check is our network speed, that if we are getting enough network speed to run the Xbox program here on our device. So this is a speed test here, a quick speed test for my speed that is about 280 Mbps. So that is a quite good speed, and that is enough to operate this application or website. Now, the final thing we're going to check is restart our PC after clicking on the start button here, refresh it, and then restart this PC to clear all the background bugs or delays. Thank you so much for watching this video.